Hey guys, this is going to be a shorter video. We're working on a side project since we're waiting for parts for the Colt. Today we're working on my SSR. We're taking a 125cc motor out and putting a 140cc.
In late, but still on the frame. Old pipe on the floor and a fresh idea to name. Case by the bench, gasket on the rack. Got my hands all black and my patience in a bag. I said, watch this thing wake up, talking a smaller beat. Bolt it down. The side cover off, checked every little seal, clean the carb in the tray.
And just like that, we got the old motor out. Now it's just a bare frame. To put this bad boy in. On this new motor, we got two plugs. This is for the main harness. This is for a gear indicator, which we don't need. We don't have a gear indicator on this bike, so we can just remove it. Just get rid of it. And then should be ready to put back in.
Made the whole setup real. New plug.
Alright, now that we got this mostly assembled, got the pegs back on, the kickstand, should be able to install it back on the bike. I did drill out the engine mount holes to 3/8 so we can put some bigger bolts in there that are going to be stronger and just going to be better and all.
Fresh fuel, Kickstarter loaded tight. When that piston found its voice, it sounded mean at night. I said, watch this thing wake up, talking a smaller beat. Bolt it down, line it up, then let that motor read. 140 in the frame, feel that little beast change. 140 in the frame, now it bites when I twist that chain. 140 in the frame, 140 in the frame. First kick, then smoke, then a bark through the yard. Rear tire clawed the dirt, and it jumped off hard. Friend yelled, run it back. I just grinned and stood still. Got a little more muscle and a whole lot of thrill.
Alright, we got her mounted in. It's kind of a pain to get this rear engine mount bolt in, but we got it. Now she should be good to go. So hook up the chain and the carb and then we should be good to go.
140 in the frame, feel that little beast change. 140 in the frame, Now it bites when I twist that chain. 140 in the frame. Yeah, it snapped like a live wire cane. 140 in the frame. Now watch me take the whole lane. 140 in the frame. 140 in the frame. Kickstart, scream at dawn, climb that red clay hill. Knobbitize bite and my hands stay still. Mud on my boots, dust in my teeth. You lean back hard and the whole world breathes. Up past the fence line, past the mesquite bend, I can feel it opening. On my legs, wind on my face. When the dirt bike sways, I feel alive. I feel that blaze. Wind on my face, heat on my legs. Oh! Roots like old scars cut through the slope. I take the side path where the wild ones go. Engine talking loud over rocks and stone. I chase that edge till I'm all alone. The sky goes wide blue, sun gets mean.
Alright, I think I got everything put together, so now we can turn the gas on and see if she'll fire up. There we go. I had to adjust the clutch. I had it raised too much, so couldn't kickstart it, but it took 2 kicks and she fired right up. Now just gotta get the exhaust on it and it should be all finished.